So from the previous video, we had been seeing how to calculate the number of treads and how to calculate the number of risers. So let us proceed how to draw this with the dimension. Okay. So here you can see, okay, this is a step or a staircase. So this is the first flight, this is the landing portion, and this is the second flight. So here I will tell you what these lines are. So how to draw this? First step, this is 1000 mm, this is 250 mm, again 1000, 250, again 250, 1000, like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 treads in one flight, 10 treads in the second flight. So this landing portion we had seen in the previous video, it was 1000 mm. Okay, this width is 1000 mm. How to fix this width? Usually what the length of step is, the same length of step is kept as the width of landing. The length of step is 1000, therefore we are keeping the width also here as 1000. So usually in one flight we will fix 10 treads. Okay, usually in one flight we will fix 10 treads. 10, 10, 20, this is 1. So there were 21 treads in the total staircase we have seen in the previous video. So this is the wall, you can see. Okay, so this is the wall that is surrounding the staircase. So this is the thickness of the wall. Here, thickness of the wall. So the thickness of the wall is 230 mm. Okay, all around, that is 230 mm. So here this wall hasn't been closed because we want access to the staircase, correct? So here there are other rooms in the home. So from the other room in the home, you want to go to the staircase, we need a door here, right? We need an entry here, entry point. That is why we have taken a door here. That is why this much gap. So now we can calculate the total size here. Okay, the total size means, so from here to here and from here to here, that is the rectangle width, here and here. So from this point to this point and from this point to this point, this will be external size. Okay, external size of the staircase. And only here internal. Okay, from here to here and up to here, this will be the internal size. Okay, so external size means we are going to add the wall thickness. Internal size means we are not going to add the wall thickness. So how to calculate the internal size, external size? So that is quite simple. So you can see here, this step is 250 mm. Okay, so how many number of steps are there? Totally 10 steps. So from here to here it is 2500. Okay, so what is this? This is 1000 mm. Here also keep the same thing. Okay, how much space is there? Same space we can keep here also. So this is 1000, this is 1000 plus 2500. So total it will be 4500. And what is this? This total thing, this is 1000 length of step, this is 1000, so totally 2000. So the internal size here is 4500 by 2000. So you can see here also, from here to here it is 2500, 1000, 1000. So totally from this point to this point it is 4500 and this is 2000. What about the external size? Just add the wall thickness on both sides. From here